Yo, it's your boy Me Sultan's in the building, Mr. Get Right or Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. I'ma just start it off like this, man. And Spike wanna say what's up. After 18 long days, man, I failed. And this video is not to sit back and, oh, Meech failed, let me feel bad for him or something like that. I'm gonna explain why. As you can tell from the last videos, I got a little bit more energy now. So long story short, I was in hard mode. I deleted Instagram. I still haven't been on Instagram, but I wasn't looking at nothing. Like I said, I was hard mode. Wasn't looking at nothing, man. Like nothing at all. Like no type of explicit content. Nothing, man. I don't even know what triggered it, man. I logged back into Instagram to see if like I had any DMs or anything, and then boom, that's when it hit me. Then like for 3 days straight, like I was just like wasting so much time on like watching, you feel me, watching just like girls on Instagram shaking their ass or something like that. Then it led to Reddit. Then after like 3 years of Reddit, like I failed. It was yesterday that I failed after 18 days, but yeah, man, I failed. And after I did it, bro, like it didn't even feel the same, bro. Like I didn't feel good after doing it, but like I feel like I kind of regained my energy back, because what I was thinking is when I was going through my flat line, like I wasn't really transmuting that energy. Like I was barely making videos, man. I wasn't transmuting that energy, so the energy was negative. I had a whole bunch of negative energy. Like I was just getting like down, man. So I feel like when I released all that bad energy, you know, I'm back on my shit now. I don't want to watch it no more. And like I said, I failed, but it's not the end of the world. So like if y'all fail, it's not the end of the world. But you know, you get up and try again. Like 18 days for me, that's a long time, bro. That's 2.5 weeks, man. So we still on this journey, man. When I did it, I was like, fuck, why'd I do that shit? But at the end of the day, it's like it happened. I'm back on my hard mode shit, man. But you know, I can't lie to y'all, I failed. I'm not perfect, you feel me? I'm sure many of y'all who watch failed, but it's not even a failure, man. It's not, bro. Like, at the end of the day, you don't want to beat yourself up over it, because then you're just going to be like, damn, I'm a failure, and you're going to be thinking back into that time. But I feel like the benefits of nofap, like, they stay with you after you relapse, if you don't allow yourself to go back into them states. And I was having explicit dreams, and it was gonna come out anyway. Now I did do the wrong part of forcing it to come out by myself, but like I said, I still feel like I have my benefits. Well, before the flatline, because the flatline I didn't feel any benefits, but now I still feel like I have my benefits. It's a fresh start, fresh slate, man. And now I reached that 18 days. Now my next goal is gonna be 30 days, man. I want to go past 30 days, but I'm taking it one step at a time. Like before, I couldn't make it past a day. Then I couldn't make it past 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, and so on, man. But now, you feel me, 18 days is a long time for me. I think my most is like 22 days. But I will say my next goal is 30 days. So what's today's date? Today is November 15th. So I will say November 14th. That's when I failed, man. And so by December 14th, I'm going to have my 30 days, man. I can't give up, man. But like I said, if y'all fail, no nut November. If y'all fail the nofap or like anything, man, don't look at yourself as a failure. There was a couple people in my Telegram group that were saying they relapsed and they don't know if they should keep going or like, you feel me? And I'm like, bro, just, you know, pick yourself up. You know, you hold yourself accountable, but you know, you're back on your shit, man. You're back on your goals, man. And I feel like the number one reason we fail nofap is because we don't stick to our purpose. We don't stick to our drive, man. And I don't know about y'all, but it's very hard for me because I have ADHD. ADHD, you need dopamine, bro. Like, we don't produce enough dopamine. That's why we get bored of things easily, so we want that quick dopamine. That's why I start taking Adderall. I take the Adderall whenever I need it, and when I take an Adderall, I have a productive day. Now, I'm not saying go get Adderall and use drugs to overcome a porn addiction, man, but I will say, if you're trying to overcome this and you do have ADHD, it is very, very, very harder for us because, like I said, we need more dopamine than a regular person. We get bored easily. Our mind is constantly changing. So I just want to let y'all know, like, You feel me? If you fail, don't think it's the end of the world. Just pick yourself up and keep going, man. Change your life around. Like change the little things in life that you can change, man. Like, I don't know if y'all noticed, I got a new setup. I moved my bed. I moved my whole room around. I got this fire ass desk. Let me show y'all. It's a little bit messed right now, but this fire desk. You feel me? So I got a whole new setup, a brand new setup. So I'm feeling fresh and new. Now I will say, you can't change everything in your life, but change the things that you can control right now, and that will change the things in the future. So start off by making your bed. I'm in my bed, but I got clothes on it right now, so I gotta fold. If you got ADHD, you know you always have a pile of clothes that you never want to get to. But I'm gonna go knock that out after I record this video. Yeah, man, just keep pushing. If y'all still going strong in No Nut November, bro, keep going, bro. I'm not telling you to relapse, but if you do relapse, don't think it's the end of the world, man. And yeah, just keep staying on this journey, man. The main journey for me is not watching porn, bro, or not masturbating. But the main goal is not to masturbate. But, you know, I was looking into semen retention as well, and I do feel there's benefits of that. But, I mean, if you have a girlfriend, that's better than beating off, you feel me? If you have a girlfriend, it's better than beating off. But if you remain celibate, you probably will have more things in life coming to you, because that sexual energy, you can transmute it into other things. But yeah, man, just stay strong, stay positive, and stay motivated. Don't let nobody tell you can't do whatever you want in life, man, because you can. And with that being said, I will catch y'all on the next video, man. Gang!